She's really bringing the heat this time.
It's the first time I've seen that vapor cone build up at night on that. That was cool. This, I just heard the boss say he's coming in for the overhead, so we're going to get another pass and burner, then he'll go and get the wheels down. Tom Maynard, our air boss, is just communicating with him.
Cars. Yeah, we ate some cars. We had some fun. We talked. We danced. I really think we kind of hit it off. To be honest with you.
Wow. What about
Lappy? Wow. That was wow. You know, I don't mean to nitpick, but I thought the Marines took this base over a while back. The Marines had a ball. Do you want to see a little bit more? That's what I thought we were talking about.
Let's go for broke on this.
Let's just go for broke, yeah.
All right.
Count it down, Rob.
Countdown. 3, 2, 1, head!
Wow!